Lab Junction's digital pH meter model LG141 mini pH meter. With this instrument we supply pH combination electrode. pH buffer bottles 7 pH and 4 pH with capsules. You have to add 100 ml distilled water or demineralized water and add only powder of capsules and wait for 2 hours. After 2 hours, your standard solution of 7 pH and 4 pH are ready for use. These are the instructions how to make and use this standard solution 7 pH and 4 pH. Stand pH electrode stand for hanging pH combination electrode. This is the base and this is the top. You have to insert like this and lock and hang your pH combination electrode. Instruction manual. With 1 year warranty card and dust cover for instrument. Now this is our instrument front view. I'm switching on this. This is the main display. Knob to set 7 pH standard solution and this knob is to set 4 pH standard solution. Already written on panel like rotate to 7 pH and rotate to 4 pH. Now this is the top view, side view, back view. In the back view, one is BNC socket for connecting pH combination electrode and on off switch. Now again side view. Now how to calibrate and use this digital pH meter. This is my pH combination electrode. This is his BNC pen to connect with instrument. First you have to remove charger bottle like this. You have to grip this neck and rotate this like this. Now you have to connect with the instrument like this. You have to insert like this and rotate. Lock this pin. Lock. Now this is my 7 pH standard solution. This is my 4 pH standard solution. This is my distilled water and this is my tissue paper to clean pH combination electrode. First you have to dip in 7 pH standard solution like this. Now set 7 pH from this knob. like this way. Now dip your pH combination electrode in 4 pH standard solution. Like this way. Now you have to set from this knob if 4 knot comes. Now instrument is calibrated. You have to dip your pH combination electrode directly to 7 pH and 4 pH because pH standard solutions never contaminate. After calibration, you have to refresh your pH electrode and refresh from tissue paper and directly clean and dip in your sample like this. This is my drinking water pH value. Now, instrument is calibrated and ready for use. Thanks.